Ever wondered what makes Scandinavian cuisine so unique and tantalizing? The answer lies in a rich and diverse culinary heritage that is as varied as the region's landscape. From the biting cold of the Arctic Circle to the milder coastal regions, Scandinavia's cuisine reflects the ingenuity and resilience of its people. They have harnessed the harsh climate and local ingredients to create dishes that are not just food, but a testament to their survival and creativity. Now imagine biting into a succulent Swedish meatball, perfectly seasoned and accompanied by a mouth-watering gravy. Picture the Danish Smørrebrød, an open-faced sandwich that is a canvas of flavors, each bite a masterpiece. And then there's the Norwegian Rakfisk, a fermented fish dish that is a bold testament to the region's culinary daring. These are but a taste of the gastronomic treasures that await you in Scandinavia. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will awaken your senses and leave you craving for more. First stop on our Scandinavian food tour, the ever-popular Swedish meatballs. A dish that has carved its place in history, Swedish meatballs, or köttbullar, are a testament to Sweden's rich culinary tradition. These succulent balls of meat, spiced with local herbs, are typically served with a tangy lingonberry jam and pickled cucumber. The combination creates a symphony of flavors that is deeply satisfying. Swedish meatballs, a perfect blend of tradition and flavor, a must-try for every food enthusiast. Next, we dive into the heart of Denmark with its classic open-faced sandwich, Smørrebrød. A treasured culinary gem, Smørrebrød has roots that reach deep into Danish history, where it began as a humble lunch for hard-working farmers. Over the years, this simple, hearty meal has been elevated to an art form, with each sandwich reflecting the creativity and spirit of the Danish people. The base, a slice of dense, dark rye bread, is a canvas for an endless array of toppings. From pickled herring to fresh garden vegetables, the toppings are chosen with care, each adding a layer of complexity and flavor. And the crowning glory, a dollop of remoulade or a sprinkle of crispy onions. Smørrebrød, a testament to Danish ingenuity and a celebration of simplicity and flavor. Our final culinary destination brings us to the adventurous Norwegian Rakfisk. A dish not for the faint-hearted, Rakfisk is a testament to Norway's bold culinary traditions. This fermented fish dish, typically made from trout, has been a staple in Norwegian cuisine for centuries. Its origin dates back to the time when preserving food for harsh winters was vital for survival. The preparation of Rakfisk involves a process of fermentation that can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months, imbuing the fish with a distinct, robust flavor. It's a dish that challenges your palate, while simultaneously offering a taste of Norway's rich history. Rakfisk, a daring delight that encapsulates the bold spirit of Norway. So are you ready to take your taste buds on a Scandinavian culinary adventure? From the hearty Swedish meatballs, the Danish Smørrebrød with its layers of flavor, to the daring Norwegian Rakfisk. There's a world to explore in every bite. Remember, every bite tells a story. Unearth the fascinating tales of Scandinavian cuisine one dish at a time.